Welcome to the Troxus family. As a new user, we want to make sure that you have the best experience possible. Our team has put together some easy-to-follow instructions to guide you through the process of putting your new bike together. We recommend that you read these thoroughly and follow the instructions step by step. But if you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to call us for assistance. We're excited for you to start using our product and hope that it meets all of your needs and expectations. Let's get started. Once you've gotten your box, check it and make sure there's no damage or severe damage to the box. Minor damage is fine, but if there's severe damage to the box, make sure to reject it. Keep the box for about 15 days just in case you need any returns or exchanges. Make sure that the picture on the front of the box is oriented the correct way. This is the same orientation that your bike has inside of the box. When moving the box, make sure to have a friend assist you to avoid damage or injury. Once you've taken the bike out of the box, take a picture so that you have this as a record if you need to pack and transport the bike later. There will be some smaller boxes. Those are going to contain the tools, the materials, and the charger. You will find the instruction manual, pedals, tools, the front and rear reflectors, and the bike grease for lubricating the parts of your bike that need it. Inside the charger box, you'll find the charger and the plug. Now it's time to remove the zip ties and the packing material. Remove the derailleur protective cover. Remove the protection rod from the front fork. Remove the protective cover from both sides of the wheel. The recommended order for assembly is to start with the front wheel, then the handlebar, then the front fender, the pedals, and finally, the front and rear reflectors. And then remove the bolts from both sides of the wheel. When you install the wheel, make sure to orient it the right way with the rotor on the left side of the bike. Remove the protective cover from the brake pad. We're going to put the wheel underneath the front fork. Make sure to put the brake pad on both sides of the brake motor. When you put the washers back on, make sure that the pattern side is facing the inside of the bike. To install the handlebar, remove the 4 screws from the top of the handlebar stem. Remove the handlebar stem cover, put the handlebar in place, and reattach the cover and the screws. To install the fender, you're going to use the screws to connect to the fender. Loosen the fender screws on the front wheel here, here, and here. Attach the fender to the top support using the screw and secure it with the bolts. Attach the side support. The right pedal is going to tighten clockwise. The left pedal is going to tighten counterclockwise. To install the front and rear reflectors, remove the screws in each one. So put the front reflector onto the handlebar and tighten the screw. Install the rear reflector around the seat pole and tighten the screw. To charge your bike's battery, take the charger cord and plug it into the battery. You'll know your bike's battery is fully charged when the light goes from red to green. The battery doesn't have to be attached to the bike to charge it. To remove the battery, insert the key and turn it, and then turn the lever and remove the battery. To put the battery back in, insert the base into the slot and then gently push the battery back into place. You'll find the battery keys attached to the handle. If you don't see any keys here, contact customer support. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the bike. Use the plus and minus buttons to increase and decrease the pedal assist. Press this to control the throttle. When the pedal assist is at 0, there is no pedal assist. Press the I button to switch between the displays. When you turn your lights on and off with the light button. Long press the power button to turn the display off. Press and hold the decrease button to enter the electric power assisted pushing state. The e-bike will travel at a constant speed of 3.75 miles per hour. You'll find the front brake on the left handle and the rear brake on the right handle. The right handle also has the gear shift. Congratulations on finishing assembling your bike. Now it's time to hit the road and enjoy the ride. We hope that our guide made this process smooth for you. Remember to always follow safety guidelines and to use protective gear. Make sure to follow us on YouTube and social media to stay up to date on promotions and content. We post tips and tricks to help you expand your playground and make the most out of your riding experience. Thanks for choosing Troxus. Enjoy the ride.